Hello again, everybody. Okay, I've had a request for a trick called the black hole, and I watched the trick a few times, and I'm going to show you the trick and then how it's done. So I have the four kings, and I set the four kings down over there. Now, when I watched the trick, they actually used nines and eights, but I'm going to use jokers over here. So I have four jokers. We'll set the jokers down over here. So I have four kings, and we'll show you the first king. We'll set it down right over here. Second king, we'll set that down over here. Third king right here, and the fourth king right over here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our jokers. So we will spread the jokers out and take the first joker and place it right over there. Pick up the first king, square up the cards, give it a little shake, and the king is gone. And then we'll spread the cards out, take this joker right here, and place that right down over there. Now we'll take this king right over here, and we'll put this king right over there, right in, and we'll show you, square it up, and that king is gone. And once again, we'll take the joker and place the joker right here. And then the final king, show you the final king, square it up, and one more shake, and that king is gone. So all four kings should be over here, but jokers should be here, but they turn into aces. Okay, that was a poor performance and a pretty amazing finish. I'll show you how the trick is done. This is the first time that I've done the trick, so that's why I did it so poorly, but it is a pretty shocking finish. So here's what you need to do. You need to start the trick with four kings and two aces, and I'm using jokers, but you could use like two black eights and a black nine, and you need to set them up just like that. Now, what you do is you make a break right here. You set these three cards on top of the deck like this, so you've got the king and the two aces right behind it. So you set it right like this on your finger right here, and you set these on top. So you start out by saying that you have four kings. You've got the two aces behind the king. You flip over the packs. You're actually flipping over six cards. Now you're putting down 1, 2, 3, 4 kings, but you're really leaving two kings on top of the deck, and you really have two aces right here. Now we'll go to the jokers. In the trick, what was done was the person pulled out four cards. There were two eights and two nines, and what they really did was they took out two aces, and it looked like one card. So you're pulling out from the pack two, and it makes it look like one. But for this trick, I just started with a pack of 5 cards. The two aces are in the third and fourth position. So I do an Elmsley count: 1, 2, 3, 4. The aces disappear, and now put them down on the side here. Now what we do is I reverse the order right here, so the pack looks like this. Then pull out the two middle cards, show the first king, set it down. Pull out the two bottom cards, show the second king, set it down. Pull out the third king, set it down, and then the fourth king. You want to do that pretty quickly because people will notice you have two of the same kings that they just saw twice. Now, your kings are right over here, so what you want to do is you want to take one of the aces and put it in the middle, and leave one of the aces up top. Now you take your jokers. Now the way this is set up, if you're doing a Ascanio spread where you slide the top card off and you peel 2 off the bottom and you pull it out like this, you turn over the joker, there's really the ace is behind it. So you take that ace and you set it down there. We take the first king and we set the first king right in, show it, square it up, and we can do an Elmsley count: 1, 2, 3, 4, and the king disappears. Then we do the Ascanio spread again. Hold on to with like a biddle grip here, peel off 2 cards off the bottom, grip onto 2, show the joker, but there's an ace behind it, set it down, put that ace there. Now, we're sitting with a king here, and we need this king to be in the second position. And this is an ace. So we put this in, and then we want to show the king, like we just put a king in. And then we do the Elmsley count one more time: 1, 2, 3, 4. Get rid of it, and then another Ascanio spread like this. Show another joker, put it on top, and now we're putting the fourth ace there. So now this looks just like this, and all we need to do is put the fourth and final king right here, square it up, and one final Elmsley count gets rid of all 4 kings, and the grand finale is these cards all turn into aces. It's a pretty amazing trick, and if you follow this and practice it, you will blow people away. Thank you. See you next time.